In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line color in AutoCAD. We will use the Properties Palette method because it's the quickest and most consistent way to update colors without digging through multiple menus. By the end, you will be able to change a line's color confidently and understand what those color options actually mean for your drawing. First, select the line you want to change. Click directly on it in the drawing area. You should see it highlight, which confirms it's selected. If you need to change several lines at once, you can select multiple objects before moving on and they'll all update together. If you accidentally pick the wrong object, press Escape and try again. Taking an extra second to verify your selection prevents changing the wrong geometry. Next, open the Properties palette. You can do this by typing Properties in the command line and pressing Enter, or by pressing Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. The palette is a panel that shows everything about the selected object, its layer, color, LINETYPE, and more, so it's the ideal place for quick edits. If the palette opens docked on the side of your screen or floating, that's fine. The location doesn't affect what we're about to change. With your line still selected, look for the General section in the Properties palette. Find the field labeled Color and click it. You'll see a drop-down list. Here is a helpful note. By layer means the line will use whatever color is assigned to its current layer. By block means the color can be defined when the block is inserted. If you pick a named color like red, blue, or green, you are assigning a fixed color directly to that line, which overrides the layer color. This is useful for quick emphasis or when you need a one-off color that stands apart. Choose the new color from the list. As soon as you pick it, the change appears immediately in the drawing. If you don't see the update, double-check that the line is still selected and that you are not zoomed too far out. The Properties palette updates in real time. So here is no need to confirm or click OK. That's all it takes. You've just changed a line's color using the fastest method in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.